have here 2 Trane heat pumps at a foreclosed house. The one on the right is an XL 1200, unknown year, and the one on, actually, one of them's a General Electric, my bad. One Trane, one GE. The one on the right's a Trane XL 1200. This one's a General Electric Executive Weathertron heat pump. Air conditioner Archaeology. And long story short, I have been driving by this place for quite a while, and like in recent months, maybe about a year, I think it's been about a year and a half, this place got foreclosed on. It's really fallen into kind of disrepair, and I talked to some people, and a couple people know I'm wandering around back here just taking pictures of the place, because I know some people who might be interested in buying a house. I just wanted to show it to them, so just figured I'd take some pictures and make a video of these 2 vintage heat pumps. And this one, as you can see, the back panel's removed, so you can see straight into the back. You can see the reversing valve and all the guts. I don't know how many nominal tons this thing is. And I don't know if this house has gas or oil or just standalone electric, you know, heat pumps with electric backup. And that, based on the fact that it has a metal fan grill, I'd say that's from the late 70s. In the early 80s, I think they went to that plastic fan grill. And there is a twig in there. I don't know if that's a plant growing through it or if it's a twig that somehow fell down in there. But yeah, that's a GE, a General Electric Executive Weathertron heat pump, and unfortunately I'm obviously not going to be able to get a video of either of these running because house is vacant, and to be honest with you, I think the electricity has been shut off. Or the circuit breaker's been shut off. I hear something whirring on the property, so something's running, but okay, here's the damn data sheet. Data sheet. No, I thought it was back. There we go. Here we go. This was manufactured in October of 1986. This is an old one. And this would appear to be a 2-ton. I think this is a 2-ton. And that screw there, I think that might be important. That was up here. And I don't think I'm going to be able to get back to the GE. That's just too grown in. But I'd say between 77 and 79. Don't know what year the house is built. It's a big house, so that's why it has 2 units. I'd guess close to, if not over, 3,000 square feet. And I don't know what kind of animals are going to be living back there. Plus these are all thorny and shit. Thought I saw something move, one of those furry looking caterpillars down there, but it's just one of the branches. It is in the 70s, probably about 80 degrees right now with high humidity. Very warm out. And yeah, I just thought don't know if this house is going to be purchased soon. And these, I don't even know if they work. I mean, there's no reason why they shouldn't work. I mean, they're probably charged, probably just fire them up and they'd work. Though that one might need to be cleaned out. But there's no reason why these units shouldn't work. And I do not know why there's one's newer than the other, unless one failed prematurely, which is surprising for Trane. I really wish I could get to the data sheet on this big old bastard here. I need a machete. Oh, perfect. Is it right there? Oh, that's just the... just the installer. I know the owner of that company too, very nice guy. Okay, where the hell are you? Oh, it's on the other side, of course. Of course. Here we freaking go. See if I can get a manufacture date. Oh yeah, this is definitely from the 70s. It doesn't even have the thing on the... This would appear to be a 3-ton. I can just make out a 36 in there. But I can't get the damn manufacture date off there. I'd guess late 70s. Maybe early 80s. Or it could be from the 60s. No, I don't think it's from the 60s. I don't think heat pumps were were efficient enough to serve as heaters in Pennsylvania in 1968. I know General Electric started manufacturing its, they started making, and Trane, they started making these Weathertron heat pumps in the 50s, but it actually, I remember reading a Time magazine article. There was something that said they are very efficient, but they are not efficient enough to be used in anything but extremely mild climates. There was an article about them being installed in an apartment complex in Florida. And that was in the 50s. But yeah, nice units. I would love for someone I know to buy this house so I can film these whenever I want. But yeah, so since it's two 5-ton units, I'd say the house is like in the... Around here, I'd say the house is in the 3,000 to 3,300 or 3,400 square foot range. Yeah, there's all the guts. A 1986 Trane XL 1200 2-ton heat pump and a 1978-ish General Electric heat pump at a really nice house. But it's like a jungle back. It's like a jungle back here. So yeah, unfortunately there's not much else I can film because they're not going to be running because I don't think there's power to the house right now. But you can hear it right now. There's like a buzzing from somewhere. And the house has a pool filter that has an in-ground swimming pool, so I thought that might have to do with the pool filter, but the pool filter wasn't running. But yeah, there's all the guts. There's the reversing valve. Probably original based on how discolored all this copper tubing is. And it's got the old style thing where they just mount this side discharge louvered fan cover on top of the basic Trane fan grill like you see on the XE series units. But these things are a bitch to service when you have to remove the cover. I've never personally messed with one of these, but my guess is they are a bitch to service. Alright. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Out.
This has been a Stamped Octagon production.